Hey, what's going on everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit over RaikenProfit.com, and in this video I want to share with you exactly how I'm making over $5,000 every single month sending emails. And the crazy thing is, this is mostly automated. Now, this isn't one of those crazy YouTube clickbait videos where someone teaches you a video about how to make $5,000 in 5 minutes and get rich and they run you to a webinar. This isn't any of this nonsense. I'm actually doing this and living this. And I am gonna say right now, to make this $5,000 a month sending automated emails, there is quite a bit of upfront work to do in advance. But if you're willing to take the advice that I'm gonna give you and you're willing to put in 6, 12, 18, 24 months of hard work on the side, start building up this hustle, you can start to make $5,000, $10,000. I have friends of mine who are making $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month plus just sending out emails automated based on this process. So this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it does work. I am living proof of this. I am doing it. I'll put some screenshots on the screen right now. Not that you'd probably be able to know exactly what it is, but it's essentially affiliate commissions, money that I've earned from affiliates promoting products through my YouTube channel, which I'm gonna talk about. So let's dive into this video. How am I making over $5,000 a month sending out automated emails? So this is essentially what I'm doing in a nutshell. I'm gonna run through it and then I'll explain some of the details. So you guys are watching this YouTube video on my YouTube channel, which is Raiken Profit. Over the last 6 years, I've built a channel with over 2,000 videos, over 140,000 subscribers of people who wanna learn how to make money selling on eBay, Amazon, wholesale, private label, drop shipping, flipping stuff on thrift stores, garage sales, auctions, estate sales, flea markets, the list goes on and on. So I've built this YouTube channel up. And I have people that are watching my videos. Sometimes only 1,000 people see it, 2,000, 3,000. And I have some videos that have over 700,000 views. So what does that mean? That means I've built up a audience on YouTube of people who I know what they want. They want to build a business. They want freedom. They want to learn how to make money online. And when you have a group of people who you know exactly what they want, they trust you because you've been adding value to them for years and years, what you can do, and I'm gonna put a P right here for problems and an S here for solution. When you have a group of people following you and you know what their problems and their challenges are, you can create solutions for them, which in turn could lead to you making money. So, how am I making $5,000 a month sending emails? I've built up a YouTube channel of people that are following me, who like, know, and trust me. I know exactly what their problem is and their solution. So what I do is I create a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? So think of it as maybe like bait in a sense. I know it doesn't sound like super ethical, but don't take it the wrong way. Think about like fishing. You put bait on your hook to catch a fish. It attracts them. So a lead magnet could be something that offers massive amounts of value that helps your audience with their problem and creates a solution. So for example, maybe you have a YouTube channel that's based around selling on eBay, and you know that your followers are having trouble with what to buy and what to sell. So imagine you created a book that teaches people 100 amazing items to resell on eBay, and it's 100% free, massive amounts of value. That's a lead magnet. So what I use is a service called Lead Pages, which essentially allows you to make a free one-page website. And on that page, you can promote your free book. Now, when somebody purchases your free book or they opt into your free book, what you're gonna get in return is an email. So you create a lead magnet, you get their email, and this is how it all starts. So how are you getting the email? You're creating YouTube videos to build an audience, to get people to like you, know you, trust you, and actually, coming from a place of where you want to help them. It's not about making money, it's about helping and serving. So what I've done is I've created a YouTube channel, and then what I've done is I've created free lead magnets. I've given away free workshops, free courses, free ebooks, and in exchange, people have given me their email. Now, when you get people's emails, you can set something up called an autoresponder. Now, what the heck is an autoresponder? An autoresponder is an email that auto-responds to your followers. So for example, say somebody joins your email list on day 1. On the next day, you can have an automated email sent out to them. And the same thing goes for day 3, day 4, day 5. So you can create emails in advance. So what I've done is I have an affiliate product that I've teamed up with one of my friends who he runs an online business outside of my expertise, right? So I teamed up with somebody who has a product and offers an affiliate, partnership, which just means somebody sells a product and they're allowing you to sell it for them and they give you a commission. So what I did is I teamed up with somebody and they allowed me to sell their product and they gave me a special affiliate link, which means if someone purchases this course or this product or whatever it is you're selling, you get a commission. So on this product, I earn over $100 every time someone purchases the product through my link. I didn't create the product. I don't even run that business model personally. But the thing is, when you have a YouTube channel, you might be good at maybe 1, 2, 3 things, but you might have 20, 30, 50 other things that your viewers want from you and your tribe wants from you, but you can't provide it to them. So what do? You want to reach out to other people, find other products, find people to interview, find ways to add value without you having to be the expert. And that's why you want to build trust. So what I do is I create YouTube videos that are essentially magnets. People follow, they subscribe, and then I determine and I figure out, what are people struggling with? How can I help people? How can I add value to people's lives? What I do is I'll create a free lead magnet, a workshop, an ebook, a free course in exchange for an email. Once I get the email, what I'll do is I'll set up a bunch of emails in advance that provide more value. So say for example, I wanted to sell an Amazon FBA course. Maybe it's my course, maybe it's someone else's. Either way, it doesn't matter. So maybe what I would do is create a free cheat sheet with 99 tips to get started, launching your Amazon FBA business, something like that. It would be valuable, it would help people. I would get someone's email, and then what I would do is set up a whole bunch of automated emails that provide more value by maybe sending them more free videos, sending them different tips, emails to be able to help them start their business, maybe interviews with other people. But then also inside of these automated emails, I would also promote the product and promote the service. Sometimes in an email, I might send out an email that shares 11 mistakes to avoid before starting an Amazon FBA business, and I'll recap the video in the email, link out to the video, and at the bottom of the video I might say, P.S. If you want to learn more about Amazon FBA and you've enjoyed this content and you want a step-by-step guide or a resource, or you want a coach, click on this link. I have a trusted partner who has a course, so on and so forth, and if they purchase it, then you'll make some money through that affiliate product, right? And that partnership. And another thing I like to do with affiliate offers is add bonuses. So I say, hey, if you purchase this course through my affiliate link, I earn a commission, but it doesn't cost you anything else. In addition, I'm also gonna throw in 3 of these bonuses or a free one-on-one coaching call. Add more value and you can make money. So that's how I make $5,000 a month from this one affiliate offer, from having a YouTube channel of people that follow me and trust me. I create solutions to people's problems through either my own products or services or affiliate offers. I create free YouTube videos that help and serve and add massive amounts of value so it attracts a bunch of people into your circle. Then I create more free value by giving away a bunch of free stuff, free ebooks, free courses, free workshops. People then subscribe to my email autoresponder or my email list, and I send them emails, I provide them value, I give them more free videos, more free tips, more free tricks, interviews. I offer massive amounts of value in the email list, but then I also promote products and services and other affiliate offers, so on and so forth. Now, one thing I do want to let you know, when you're starting a YouTube channel or you're starting to build an email list, you've got to follow Gary Vaynerchuk's advice. Right? He had a book, it was called, I forget what it was called. It was, I think it was Jab, 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 Right Hook, right? Jab, 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 right hook. What does that mean? How does that parallel to this? Every time you create a free video, it's like a jab, right? Every time you give away something for free, that's like, you're building up your equity, right? You're building up your giving, your loving, your helping, your serving. It's almost like a jab. It's almost like a jab in a sense. You're giving, you're giving, you're giving. You want to focus your email autoresponder, your email list, your YouTube video. 90% of the time, you just want to give free value, help, serve. Don't sell, because every time you come in with the right hook to promote a product or a service, right, or you create a YouTube video promoting something or reviewing something, it's obviously a sell. You're pulling equity out of that relationship. And you want to focus on giving and helping and serving, because if you try to sell and promote too much, people are going to get really turned off and they're going to unfollow and unsubscribe from you. And I've made that mistake over the years. There's been times where I was just promoting like a crazy person because I didn't know any better. And you start to lose out on what really matters most, which is your trusted subscribers, right? Your email followers. You're never going to make $5,000 a month sending emails or doing whatever it is in your business if you don't have your tribe. You've got to take care of your tribe. You've got to take care of your followers. And that's why I always give the advice of, don't get into the game of making YouTube videos and becoming an internet marketer and providing value just to make money. You need money. Some people are gonna dislike this video because they're gonna be like, wow, now I know what you're doing, Steve. You're just trying to make money. Your ultimate goal is just to make money. It is to make money, but it's coming from a place of helping and serving, and you cannot. This is what I wanna get through to my viewers and people who are trying to do this. If you wanna add massive amounts of value on YouTube, if you wanna help and serve and give and provide massive amounts of value and create solutions to your viewers' problems, you have to make money. If you don't make money, you're not gonna have the time to spend investing in creating content and inspiring and educating and building out your team of video editors and social media experts that are helping you to promote and doing all the things. This YouTube video and everything that I do to provide the value, there's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. There's a lot of money that I've invested into equipment, into my team, into video editors, into web developers, so on and so forth, my manager. So you've got to make money in order to add massive amounts of value. So you need to have yourself a funnel. You need to have yourself a system. And this is the system that I have to make over $5,000 a month from just one affiliate product. So if you found value in this video, do me a big favor and smash that like button. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'm an open book. Would love to help and serve you. So with that being said, have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.